I would like to discuss the marking of graphite. We use marking generically to include letters, numbers, logos, and even barcodes if required. Simple marking of graphite blanks or electrodes is important in maintaining efficiency for your EDM operations. Our video presentations will illustrate several methods of graphite marking, from the very simple to the very precise based on your needs. We suggest marking graphite with both the size and material, or if your company only uses one grade of graphite, then size is sufficient. Depending upon the use of the workpiece being marked, multiple surfaces should be considered in case the markings are machined away from one area. The simple and most economical surface marking methods include the use of silver pencils or silver tip markers. Neither penetrate the graphite significantly. For some work, we use stencils and the silver marker. For more permanent marking, we also use a handheld engraver. Shown are the basic marking tools we use for the marking of our graphite products. For visualization, we prefer the Sharpie marker, but the silver pencil is very inexpensive and very effective. The last tool is a battery-powered engraver that fits into your pocket. This tool costs less than $20 and can be also used for marking steel and other harder materials. The device comes with a 4mm ball, which does a nice job for the marking of graphite. Notice the silver pencil is quite visible on the graphite workpiece. The silver marker, however, is highly visible. This marker is especially useful on sawn surfaces. The last method being shown is the use of the battery-powered handheld engraver. The pocket-sized tool is very handy in that it only marks graphite, but steel and other materials. The engraver can be purchased for approximately $20. The next method we are going to discuss is shown is electrical dot peening technology. If your company is seeking a versatile marking system, the electrical peening technology is probably the most useful and economic. The video illustrates the Markin Box programmable engraving unit. All Markin Box units require a PC for operation and are supplied with Windows-based software to create the desired text. The unit can be used for marking many requirements. A 3-inch by 12-inch graphite plate is shown in this video. The stand-mounted Markin Box model has an allowable marking area of 3.9 inches square. The plate required 2.5 minutes to engrave using 3 setups. This is the text on the PC screen, which is programmed using the supplied software. The text on the graphics is best viewed when the depth is approximately 10 thousandths or deeper. There is both software and mechanical adjustments that change the depth of the peening. A typical peening system is mounted on a stand where products are placed in the unit for marking. This may not be practical for remnant graphite pieces. The company also offers a handheld unit for approximately $5,300. Both have their advantages depending on your particular needs. If high-quality lettering or identification is required in graphite, most people think of programming the characters, then CNC milling. However, in recent years, laser engraving has come on the scene as a very effective method to create shallow letters and designs. Characters, logos, and other 3D shapes can effectively be produced up to 1/8 of an inch deep. Although the capabilities are great, the machinery required is often expensive. This slide illustrates laser engraving approximately 1/16 of an inch deep on a piece of saw-cut graphite. If laser engraving is needed, most mold makers will subcontract the work to a laser service company. There are several companies within the U.S. who perform laser engraving. This ends our information on marking of graphite.